Dad's just taking the floorboards out of the gray Johanneson Fisheries Bombardier. And any big surprises down here?
No, not really. I gotta try and get that exhaust system in here somehow or other.
Okay.
Oh, this one went out the back, so I don't have to do nothing.
Okay.
I got two of them, two machines in here. That's what's confusing me. It's nice and tidy in here. Anyway.
Yeah. Looks like I got some vacuuming to do.
Scraping and
yeah, got the floorboards are off, and underneath the wood paneling it looks pretty greasy, so, and rusty. Looks like I gotta get
they already welded a patch on top here.
Yeah.
That rusted through.
Okay.
Both sides.
Okay. Yeah. So
anyway, that's that.
So what else is new here? I didn't see you installed the gear shift here.
Yeah.
It's so was there any wiring issues with this one at all, or?
Well, I had to take the heater switch out and the interior light switch to do work in here, because the cigarette lighter is hooked into same harness.
Okay, so
and this is the interior light switch. That's okay, but this is the heater switch. That's neutral, high, and low.
Okay.
And they forgot to put a clip on here. They just wrapped the wire around.
So
you see how
raw wire.
See how it's burnt?
Yeah.
Well, it's a good way to burn the machine down, because that'll get hot. So I got to put new switches in.
Okay, and then
I'll put the hose on, and
okay,
the rest is all in there. I don't know what that is, but I guess we'll find out.
Okay. Miscellaneous wires.
Goes to.
I guess you've seen worse wiring jobs, right?
Not much, though.
No. Pretty close.
This wire has to be hooked to the ignition.
Oh, okay.
You should never use a spade like that. It should be an eye. Eh?
Okay.
But the hydraulic pump won't work if it's not hooked to power.
Okay.
So that's what that is. And usually I put a piece of tin around here and screw it on, but this duct tape seemed to do the tricks. Then I'll pull this out, because I have to put a brake in here.
Yeah,
That's just gas pedal. Eh?
Okay, so
there's quite a bit of stuff to do here yet.
Kind of strange they didn't have a brake before. What were they using?
Well, they just put it in neutral.
Okay.
Or jam it into reverse until they slow down. But when this guy who done this, he was so excited about electrifying the motor that the budget probably went dry when it come to a brake, eh?
Yeah. Now, are you gonna have to switch like the locations, because obviously that's in the wrong location? Otherwise,
I'll put it here somewhere.
Okay.
It's got to be far enough away that your big boot doesn't step on both of these at the same time.
Okay.
I'll just give you an example here. You go to the front here. You see this here?
Yeah. What is that?
Well, that's for the headlights.
Okay.
So I think what we're going to have to do is run new headlight wires. See how they Mickey Mouse all this junk in there?
Wouldn't you just recommend all new wiring anyways, or?
Well, wiring is okay as long as it fits the budget. Anyway, we're going to keep poking away, and I'm going to pull the steering out now and get the electric power steering, yeah.
So, power steering, that's 2-day job. Is there,
Yeah,
have you got all the
2
parts?
days if everything goes right.
Okay, have you got enough parts?
Yeah, I got everything ready.
Okay. So, that's what Dad's working on. You. What about Ashram here? You working on that, doing anything?
No, I'm waiting for calipers and rotors on for both of them for
Okay.
the electric brakes
Okay.
or for the brakes. This one's got no brakes either.
Okay.
Well, it had a brake, but it was on a standard transmission, so that's a drum brake, and that won't work on here when you put automatic in. This is the one I was thinking of. We're going to put the exhaust system in here yet.
Okay. Well, you've got those pipes that you've taken out already, haven't you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Dad's busy. We got snow on the ground, and we got dogs in the shop, and looks like I got a bunch of cleaning to do here, so Dad has a clean work area. And that's what we're doing now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Dad loves comments. He wants to hear from you guys. So please comment on the YouTube videos and Facebook and whatnot, because he wants to know what you guys all think. And
Or if you got any shortcuts that you could mention.
yeah, you hear that? He wants to know if you got any shortcuts, because Dad's big on shortcutting. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.